Happn is a dating app built around real life encounters. Instead of endless swiping, it shows you profiles of people you've physically crossed paths during the day, creating a timeline of nearby singles. You can like someone anonymously, and if they like you back, it becomes a crush that unlocks chat, making the experience feel more organic and tied to everyday life. The app runs in the background, so matches are based on actual proximity, but it also includes privacy controls to manage visibility and block unwanted attention. In short, Happen is ideal if you want dating that feels spontaneous and rooted in real world connections rather than purely virtual swipes, just like Tinder and Bumble. So, if you just want some casual and easy to use app for dating, this is a great way to introduce it.